Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to earn money in Township. Earning money in Township comes from many different activities, both big and small. One of the many ways is through helicopter, train, and airplane orders. Completing this task rewards you with coins based on orders, difficulty, and your level. Daily logins also give bonuses and leveling up. Achievements and artifact collections all add to your coin balance. You can mine, excavate, join events, regattas, and minigames, each offering extra income along the way. Selling items from your barn or decoration you no longer need is another smart way to free up space while earning coins. Balloon gifts, House of Luck clovers, and friend interactions often bring small but steady rewards. And of course, if you prefer, in-app purchases lets you buy coins directly. With so many methods available, the best strategy is to stay active, manage your resources wisely, and take advantage of every opportunity the game gives you. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.